always been kind of a pioneer with anything to do with industrial grade lasers. We started with laser marking and engraving, which is very highly used for part marking, logos, serialization, anything like that. Then we moved into high power fiber lasers for cutting. And today we're kind of introducing, it's actually the world's largest laser cleaner. So this has become a very big industry the last few years. We have low power lasers, high power lasers for different applications, but this is going to be for any of your rust removal, coatings removal, oils, greases, any kind of contaminants. So what we're finding is sandblasting is an enormous industry that's been around forever. Unfortunately, there's a lot of PPE required, there's a lot of containment set up, disposal costs, media costs, all that plays a big part, and again, there are health issues with some of these as well. So with this, literally the only PPE required is going to be some safety glasses. There's going to be no containment setup necessary. It's basically going to vaporize the majority of the material. Sometimes when you're dealing with coatings, you may just need a small fume extractor. This is our larger unit, but we have smaller portable units as well that just run off like 110 voltage. So it's about 65 pounds on casters, can be moved around a facility, can be taken on site. So it is, again, it's just replacing. And again, when you're using these and you're not having to use the PPE and the containment, your turnaround time for these parts, if you're just cleaning a little bit of rust or need to remove spot coatings in specific areas, your time is increased drastically. Also, if you have to do the NDT testing, a lot of times with sandblasting and those, they have to do the entire project, clean up everything, and then the inspectors can come in afterwards. Where this, inspectors can literally follow right behind you. So again, increasing your turnaround time. The equipment itself is extremely durable. You're looking at about a lifespan of 50,000, 75,000 hours. So roughly 8 hours a day, you're looking about 20 years. Though little to no consumables, depending on what power laser you have. So again, the low power ones, you just have a small protective lens that you can replace. Larger power ones right there, you do also have some water, but you're only going to replace that about once every quarter. So again, very, very low consumables, if any consumables. We are in pretty much every industry, but obviously it's starting to grow in the aerospace and aviation as well, for landing gear, components, anything where you need to do the deep painting, and again, any kind of corrosion or anything like that. We're based out of Orlando, Florida, so manufactured here in the USA, and again, dealing with a lot of these larger ones like Boeing, Rolls-Royce, a lot of these we pretty much sold to about every Fortune 500 company, being that we've been in business for so long. But again, the laser cleaning is really kind of where we're moving. It's going to be your eco-friendly, user-friendly, company-friendly solution to a lot of these problems. So I'm going to ask real quick if anybody has any questions, but then I'll get back.